You guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I am having burgers. And this burger is from Culver. That is where it is from. This is what I'm having for dinner. I ain't had this in a minute, you guys. Yes. So what burger I got? I got the mushroom. Sorry about that. I got the mushroom and Swiss burger. Oh my gosh, you need it. I told her I wanted it. Oh yeah, no, I didn't. And on the side, I told her, could I get some extra lettuce and tomato? I don't see the pickle. It don't matter. I didn't want no pickles anyway. But yeah, I just told her put it on the side with some onion rings. Got some onion rings. And for dessert that I have, you guys, I had got they frozen, they custard dessert. And what I did, I got the large one. And what I got, you don't see it now because I got it in the refrigerator, so I don't want it to melt. And that's why you don't see it here. But I did get the dessert. I think it's called a concrete mixer, and I got the vanilla flavor with the peanut butter, banana, pecan, and whipped cream. And you will see that when I finish my meal. But this right here is the mushroom burger. Yes. I think the mushroom is down there. But yeah, this is the mushroom burger and stuff. But yeah. But I really like how they use these kind of buns and stuff. I did show you guys that, right? It did, and I show you my onion ring. But anywho, this is what I'm having for dinner on my cooking channel. And for the drink, I have my own drink. So I got the Coca-Cola, the original taste. That's for my drink. But this is my dinner, you guys. Like this video? Give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Just show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. Thumb this video up. Again, like I said, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below, thumb this video. And if you guys are already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. Let me see if you can see the mushroom if I pick it up. Probably can't. Okay, I don't know. But either way, thumb this video up and subscribe if you don't mind. And again, like I say, if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, that's the grilled onion. I guess that's the grilled onion, maybe cheese. Okay. And you guys, again, like I said, if you guys want to see next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. All right, that's it. And I will see it again. Like I said, I will see you guys in the next upload video. This is my dinner. All righty. Yep, my dinner. Kobe. All right. Bye-bye. I love that. Look at how golden crispy them French fry is. Oh my goodness. Onion ring. I said crispy. mm. Oops, sorry about that.